YouTube, what's good? It's your man All Star Sports back with another video. And before we get this video started, I just want you to go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you could get notified anytime I upload a new video. And I'm gonna get right into this video tonight. And this video today is gonna be on another Air Jordan 1 Low that has seen a price increase over the past few weeks since the ESPN documentary The Last Dance premiered. And this Jordan 1 Low, if you could guess, you might have seen some of my other videos, but just looking at the shirt that I'm wearing right now, it has a little bit to do with the color of the shoes. Let's get right into it. Presenting the Air Jordan Low Mystic Green. And here we go. And the Air Jordan Mystic Green. You know I don't hit you with that hype beast type of Air Jordans. This is for my general release Air Jordan collectors that just want a regular shoe that doesn't cost a lot of money. And we start off with this shoe here. It is the Air Jordan 1 Low. It came in white, black, mystic green. This shoe's a size 10.5, and it had a product code of 55355-113. And let's take a look at these shoes. And there you have the Air Jordan 1 Low Mystic Green. And let's talk a little about this shoe somewhat. I do like this shoe a lot. It's similar to the Air Jordan 1 Pine Greens. It's almost a similar color, and it also reminds me of the Air Jordan 1 Low Play Edition that released with the New York Jets when they unveiled their new uniforms in 2018. Now this shoe came out in 2019, and I call 2019 the year of the Jordan 1 Lows, because Jordan 1 Lows took a new level of a likeness. They did just kind of sit on the shelves a little bit, but they all sold out in a good amount of time. They didn't sell out like a shoe would sell out on the release day, but they did sit in the stores for a couple of weeks. Popular sizes started going first. You know, the small feet gang, they hit up their pairs in the sizes 7.5, and also the GS sizes 7.5. For men's 8, 8.5, 9s, and 9.5, and then the 10s to 12s went pretty quick also, and then they eventually all sold out. So let's take a little bit more depth look at this shoe. This shoe, it is a pretty good quality leather on here. It's a little tumbled, just a little bit, and just looking at the shoe, it has a green outsole with your Nike on the bottom with the swoosh. It has a white midsole. The front of the toe is a black nubuck. Has a white toe box. Middle of the shoe is white with the leather black Nike swoosh. Our tongue is like a mesh that you would almost see on like maybe an Air Jordan 4, and it has like that netting mesh, and then it has a white Jumpman. It has a green with black 23 on the lace holder, and it comes with one pair of black laces. There were no extra pair of laces on the shoe. And then going around to the back, the collar is black nylon. The heel of the shoe is green leather. That's the Mystic Green. And in the back of the shoe is also the Mystic Green with the Mystic Green wings logo that is also embroidered onto the shoe. So all in all, it's a pretty good shoe. And let me just put it on the turntable so you can see it a little bit better. I'll just elevate that a little bit. And let me just get this turntable situated. And let's take it for a spin. And there you go. Let me just move out of the way so it can get its own little view for you. Better right there. And you could just take a look at the AJ1 Low Mystic Green. And if you're a New York Jets fan, which I am, even though the Jets are a heartbreaking team to be a fan of, but you got to stay loyal to something in this world. And I'm from New York, so I rock with my Jets. I like the Giants, but I'm a Jet fan. I like that money green, always attracted me. So I've been a Jet fan all my life. And this shoe, once the NFL does decide to come back, I'm not really happy with the NFL right now for what they did to Colin Kaepernick. So I'm not really, enthused if the NFL comes back this year or not, But I am a Jet fan, so if I do rock my Jet jersey, my new Jet jersey, I will rock it with these Mystic Greens right here, because, if you're a Jet fan, they're a perfect match. I can't think of anything else that's better. Alright, well, that's going to probably conclude this video for today. I just want to let you know that I got some more good videos coming up. I got some mids that are in effect right now. That's another general release shoe that a lot of Jordan collectors are jumping on right now that aren't hype beast collectors, that just want something affordable, something to rock for the summer, and something that they don't have to break their bank at the pockets, So keep tuned, hit that like button again, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. It don't cost nothing, it's free. So if you like what you see, stay safe, stay healthy, and most of all, stay tuned. I'm out.